Possibly one of the most intelligent innovations now available with the Mini Clubman is Mini Connected. But what is Connected exactly? This is a flagship feature on all new Mini models that opens the door to a wide range of useful features created to enhance the everyday driving experience. You just pair your car seamlessly with your mobile and other smart devices via inbuilt 4G LTE connectivity. Essentially, what Connected does is give you an extension of your Mini that you can hold in your hand. But how does that actually help me out day to day? Well, to start with, let's see how the Mini Connected app can assist your daily life. One feature is the Mini Find Mate. It makes sure you never leave important belongings behind. You can fix this tag to your belongings, and as you move away from it, the Bluetooth connection breaks and you get a reminder on your smartphone or smartwatch with a beep. Another helpful feature is the remote services. Let's say you've forgotten where you've parked your car and need a little reminder. You can check the app, it'll locate it for you and even guide you back to it. These services can even show you the status of your Mini, like checking fuel levels, so you can factor in time for a refill before you set off, or see recent or frequent journeys you've made. The app can be paired with your calendar too, so your Mini knows where you need to be. It'll calculate how long you need to leave in advance and even send you a time to leave notification. And any new routes you enter into your smart devices can be sent directly to your car's central console, so it's there for you when you get in. What's more, the real-time traffic updates will keep an eye on traffic along your journey. That means you'll always be on the quickest route to your destination. With Mini Connected, you also have the possibility to voice command your car. While on the go, you can interact with your Mini via natural language understanding. It'll understand your normal speaking voice, and you can even interrupt. If you find yourself in an unfamiliar place or need a specific tip, you can also speak with the Mini Concierge service at any time, day and night, 7 days a week.
Mini Concierge service, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for an Italian restaurant near me, and can you check if they sell pasta vongole?
Sure, let me take a look. Oh, looks like there's something close by called D'Angelo, just a few blocks away. Shall I make a reservation for you?
That'd be great, thank you.
What time would you like?
For 8 p.m.
Okay, great. And for how many people?
For 4.
Okay, perfect. It looks like they have great reviews, so it should be a good dinner.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
That's it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great night.
And of course, Mini Connected isn't just about getting information. You have your integrated entertainment system too, complete with Apple CarPlay and Spotify. It's all right here at your fingertips. You can also use Amazon Alexa car integration with a simple voice command, just as you would do at home. Alexa, are there any good movies showing tonight?
Here are a few films releasing from August 14th,
Have a good one.
2012.